Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you this Masons Mandalay. We think it's a milk jug or a hot water jug. It's certainly from the tableware range and shouldn't be confused with the very angular Mandalay jugs of this similar scale and size that are used for display purposes or flower vases. This is very much a tableware piece. Round, nice, open rim, as you can see. Mandalay marks date this piece to between 1923 and 1950 on those particular Masons design marks. It's in really fine condition, really nice and bright. Lovely bit of detailing here, as you can see on the handle, with the moulding and the colour that's just been picked out by the decorators. Holds about a pint, could be used for hot water to refresh the teapot or the coffee pot. Would also hold a good volume of milk, although most milk jugs are usually around the half pint mark. So this was probably intended for a hot water refresh into a teapot for the Mandalay coffee and tea sets that were sold. Over a very long period of time, Masons have made Mandalay. It's a really nice piece, this. Lovely decoration, good gilt retention. No condition warnings to bring your attention to on this piece. Do have a search if you're looking for a specific piece of Mandalay from a specific date era on a Mason's China marks. We do try and differentiate in our listings the approximate date range of production. We're lucky enough sometimes to find impressed date marks that give us a real good clue, but mostly you're just going on the China marks that change during the decades of production to get a range for production. And this one, as we mentioned earlier, is 23 to 1950. Follow the link in the description below, take you through to this hot water or milk jug listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. As I say, we've got plenty of vintage and modern Mandalay on that website for you to browse through. Thanks for watching.